Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today is such an exciting day for me because I'm going to be unboxing my first ever PR package or free product that I received from a brand to feature on my YouTube channel, which I am just so happy and grateful for this little box right here. So this is from the brand Luxury Scent Box, and what it is a monthly perfume subscription. I really love perfume, so I was so excited to be able to receive this. So let's go ahead and open this up. I just feel so lucky that a brand recognized the hard work I've been putting into my YouTube channel and my amazing subscribers, and that they want to send me something. Okay, so in the box, you have a carrying case, instructions. So this company is based out of California and it's Luxury Scent Box, luxuryscentbox.com. So cute. So here we have my 2 perfume samples. So a typical monthly subscription would come with one of these. So this is a 2-month supply. So I recently went on vacation. I went to Montreal, so I have a vlog about that. I'll be sure to link that video down below if you want to see it. But when I travel, I don't bring my full-size perfumes. Actually, what I brought with me was this tiny little perfume sample. Whenever I travel, I bring a perfume sample, and then it also kind of reminds me of that place that I traveled to when I smell the perfume again. So that's a really nice little hack. But this is not gonna last me very long. Luckily, my vacation was only 4 days, so I was able to have it last me. But if I was going on a longer vacation, I would have to bring multiple of those little tubes, but not anymore because of Luxury Scent Box. These are a perfect size travel perfume. So let's start with this one. So all you do, it comes in this tube, this travel tube, and you just twist it up, and then there's the spray. Twist it up. If you need to take it out and replace it, you just pull it up. Look at the size of this. This is bigger than I expected. Yeah, so these are 9 milliliters. These ones are 1.5 milliliters. The first scent that they chose for me based off of my perfume preferences is Lollia Wish. I have never actually tried this perfume before, so I'm gonna just pop it back in here. So then you just twist it up, spray my wrist. Ooh, that sprays really nicely. It's very big area that it, I was saying a very big area of mist, covers a lot of area, but whoa, that might be one of the best scents I've ever smelled. Whoa. I truly love this. It smells like flowers, but also smells like soap and clean. And then it also kind of smells like candy. Whoa. I absolutely would wear this. I love this. Oh, it smells so good. I can't stop smelling my wrist. Wow. Lollia Wish. Who would have thought that I would like that? Luxury Scent Box apparently would have thought that I like it, and I do. Whoa, I can't wait to wear this all the time. And I have another one to try out. Oh my gosh, so nice. I would have been excited with just one. Ooh, this one has the gold top to it. So I just twist it up, pull it out to see what it's called. Ooh, Versace Bright. I've never tried this one either. I've never had anything Versace before. Let's pop that back in. And this is perfect because then you just twist it down and you don't have to worry about it spilling or anything in your bag if you're using it for traveling. It's so protected. I love this little case. Bring it on my other wrist. Oh yeah. Smells so good. This one smells fruity, but expensive, I can tell that this is from a high-end brand. Like, I smell so expensive right now. Oh my gosh, but it smells like tropical and fruity at the same time as being like very expensive. So I guess I just smell like I'm on a very expensive vacation. Wow, and they smell so different, but I love both of them. So I'm so impressed that the people at Luxury Scent Box were able to decipher my scent profile and know that I would love both of these. Wow, I'm so impressed. Oh. It's been so long since I've tried out like a really good new perfume, so that just makes me want to continue to get these every month because it's so fun and I get to discover like amazing scents that I probably never would have tried or even smelled if I hadn't done the subscription box. And now I'm always going to smell good because it's really bad when someone doesn't smell good. Luxury Scent Box, thank you so much. I'm so excited and I'm so happy and I absolutely love these. You did such a great job picking out for me. And just to make this first like PR unboxing even more exciting, they gave me my own coupon code, which gives you 35% off your first month subscription. So a monthly subscription is $15, but with the 35% off, it's $9.75, and the promo code is Christy Bergman. It's not commission based or anything, but if you want to try this out and you want to save money, you can use my code. You'll also get free shipping, and this is for men and women. They have both types of fragrances. And so if you do decide to sign up, what you do is fill out a little survey and then they'll give you suggestions of scents that fit your kind of scent profile, and then you can decide which ones you want each month. But it's also like if you don't want to try any of these specific recommendations based off of your survey, you can browse all of their perfumes. They have like pretty much any perfume you could ever want, and you could choose that to get each month. So it's not like you also don't have a say in what you're gonna get. It's really up to you what you get. They just make recommendations for you. And this claims to be 1 month's worth. This will definitely last me an entire month. I'm gonna start using it today and I'll use it throughout the entire month and we'll really see. Another thing that's great about this subscription service is that it's month to month. There's like no commitments and no contracts, so you can cancel at any time. So yay, I'm so excited about this. I think it's an amazing idea because I have had huge bottles of perfume that have lasted me for years, and then I'll just get tired of them, and I hate wasting things and just having them sit there. So getting like the perfect size amount of perfume is perfect for someone like me that feels that way about perfume just sitting there. I definitely feel that way about makeup too. Like a lot of times I like to get the travel size makeup products and toiletry products because I'll try them, and if I really love them, I'll buy the bigger version. But if not, it's great to just try new things all the time. Hence why I'm trying a new makeup product every day on my YouTube channel as well. So yeah, there we have it. That's Luxury Scent Box perfume subscription. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much Luxury Scent Box for being the first brand to ever like recognize me and want to send me their products, and I'm so grateful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.